Press W for magic wand tool. Select like this. Delete. You can use rounded, rectangular also. You can fill the color. Right click. Erase the layer. Press W for magic wand tool. Press. You can choose any color from here like this. OK. Press enter for OK. Control backspace for fill the color. Control D for deselect. Select. Pick any color. Control backspace. D for deselect. And choose like this. Same for ellipse tool also. Draw any ellipse. Right click. Rasterize the layer. Press V for move tool. V for move tool. Shortcut is V for move tool. And select like this. Press W. C shortcut is W. Change the color if you want. Control backspace for fill the color. Control D for deselect. Press V for move tool. And move like this objects. Or you can zoom out like this. Zoom in, zoom out. This is zoom tool. For example, I will show you. Take any one image. Press Z for zoom tool. This is the shortcut of zoom tool. Press Z for zoom tool. You can do like this. You can zoom. You can zoom here also. If you want, you can do like this. You can move like this also. Do like this. Like this you can do. Any dark spots is there means it will highlight. Like this you can zoom. You can switch your background and foreground colors also like this. You can switch. See like this. And this is the tools. Go to your file, new, control N. You can open the project also. You can browse the projects also. You can open as. You can open your recent projects also. You can close also. You can close all also. Save also. You can save as different name also. You can give different name and you can save. And this is export. You can export in PNG. Export options is there. You can save as web also. You can export in web format also. You can share this project also. You can share this to online also like Behance, like FB. You can search also. This is place linked where you have to place. This you can do where I have to save. You can link also. This is edit option. You can search anything from here. If your net is on, means you can search anything from here. Search option. You can check the spellings if spellings is correct or not. You can check the spellings. Here edit option is there. Here down fill option is there. You click the fill and choose any color. If you want foreground is foreground, background is background, or color is color. You can choose anything color like this. If you want, you can choose then OK. It will apply the color. If you want to see the image size means press Ctrl Alt I. It will show the image size. See width how much, height this much, resolution you can keep 100. Then if you want you can press OK or cancel. This is coloring. You can give any brightness, contrast you can give, brightness you can give. Press L for levels. You can adjust like this. If you want you can adjust like this. You can do auto also. Auto means it will correct everything, not only do. You can't do any manual. If you want, you can do auto. If you want to do manual, means you can do manual.